Hello and welcome. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. In today's video we will be talking about makhadzi issues with open mic. Documents released may suggest that makhadzi may had lied, as they state that she was paid 8.2 million rands by open mic. The public spat between makhadzi and open mic continues to intensify. It all started when makhadzi took to Twitter to put the record label on blast for its alleged unfair contract and her allegedly being not paid royalties. She wrote on Twitter, "I signed with open mic only for 3 years. In Thessal SP 3 years I dropped 4 albums. I have never received any cent of my sales. Some of my albums reached platinum, some gold, and a lot of fell hit songs that reached platinum and gold. But I continue to work without complaining, because all I wanted was to serve my contract, to avoid them saying I bridged the contract. I'm talking about the contract that I signed and no one was allowed to give me a copy. I worked with open mic without a copy of my contract ever since they said they will send it. I kept on reminding them but no one was willing to send me my contract. At the time, open mic seemed to blue tick the situation. However, it seems that the record label has launched its own attack via social media to rubbish makhadzi's claims. It is unclear where the information first stemmed from. However, payment records from open mic to makhadzi's management and entertainment business have been leaked on social media. The leaked records allege that the record label has paid makhadzi over R8.2 million between May 2021 and May 2023. Moreover, legal documents directed at makhadzi by open mic were leaked where the record label ordered makhadzi to post a retraction of all the claims she has made of late against the record label. While all of this has been happening, makhadzi had focused on making more music with open mic. This is as she took to social media to confirm that her EP is on the way. Moreover, it seems she is still intent on calling the EP auto-renewal, which is a cheeky response to the alleged unfair contract she has signed with open mic. However, there are those that have shared that open mic and the recent leaked revelations are all part of the record label's social media campaign to tarnish her image. This is as it is alleged that open mic is paying social media influencers R80 to call makhadzi a liar on social media. Please support the channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.